All right, we're here. I can't believe we're here. This is crazy. I should probably take my sunglasses off. You can probably see the reflection. So anyway, I see the tractor. We bought a tractor ride, so I'm really excited about that. We have our fun little bracelets, and I gotta go find my mom and kids. Jump for me? What do you think, gang? We were tired. Yeah. We were very tired, and that's a good thing. So anyway, we're gonna book at home. Hopefully JJ will sleep his little heart out, and I would say today was a success. It was a lot of fun. It was fun to meet everybody and just kind of poke around, and yeah, overall, it was good. All right, we did not take our tractor ride. JJ was not gonna wait in line, so somebody is going to get a complimentary free tractor ride. So congratulations to whoever gets this. Enjoy! Enjoy it for us. McDonald's! A good way to end every exciting day. Kids meal, that's where it's at. And we are home now, so hope you enjoyed the highlights from today. If you were thinking about going to a future farm day and you have little ones, I say go for it because we had a blast. The kids stayed busy all day and it was a lot of fun. We did get to meet Ryan, which of course was a highlight, and we missed Travis though, so shout out to Travis. But yeah, JJ was ready for a nap. There was lots of stuff for the kids to do. It was very well organized. Everyone was super friendly. My mom even made friends, you know. It was just a good, fun, and family environment, and so we enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed watching what we got to do today, and we'll catch you next time.